requested by all of you. So we have done our bit. We have tried however we can do for you all. So I hope you've enjoyed. Do subscribe my channel. Okay, share, like, comment, subscribe here. You have a bell icon. Please go and click that so that you don't miss any of my updates. And love you guys.